In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT into Excel for an easy and seamless experience. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, leveraging AI can significantly enhance your data processing capabilities. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, open up Excel on your computer. Make sure you're using a version that supports add-ins, as this feature is crucial for what we'll be doing today. Navigating through Excel might seem a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar, but don't worry, we'll walk through each step carefully. Once you have Excel open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to click on the Add-ins option. This is where we'll find the tools that will allow us to integrate ChatGPT. Add-ins are extremely useful because they extend Excel's functionality, opening doors to new possibilities right from within the software. Now, with the add-ins panel open, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in ChatGPT for Excel. This search will bring up various options related to integrating AI technologies with Excel. If you aren't finding exactly what you need, don't worry. You can also search for GPT for Excel, which might yield different results that can be useful for our task. Once you've located the appropriate add-in, you'll need to install it, click on it, follow the prompts, and wait for the installation to complete. This might take a few moments depending on the speed of your connection and system performance. As you complete these steps, remember that patience is key. Rushing might cause issues that could easily be avoided with a careful approach. With the add-in installed, you're only a couple of steps away from accessing the power of AI in your Excel sheets. However, before you can start using it, you will need to sign up for an account. If you already have an existing account, simply sign in. The sign up and sign in process is straightforward, but be sure to follow the instructions on the screen to ensure everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated ChatGPT into Excel. This new addition will greatly enhance your ability to analyze data and generate insights directly from your spreadsheets, making your work in Excel not just more efficient, but also more insightful. Remember to explore all the new functionalities this tool offers and how they can apply to your specific tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you harness the full potential of Excel with ChatGPT. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy computing!